Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2010 BMW 750 Li. Both the oil drain plug and the oil filter are easily accessible underneath the vehicle. You won't have to make too long of a reach, nor use any tools to access these parts when performing an oil change. The power steering reservoir is on the driver's side of the engine bay. You won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid or to check the fluid level on the dipstick. Both the engine and interior fuse boxes are quick to find with covers that are easy to remove. Although the engine fuse box is in an unusual location in the trunk, you won't need to make an awkward reach for it, and it comes provided with a fuse puller for your convenience. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The headlights will be very difficult to access. Multiple different tools will be necessary to disengage the wheel well lining, the entire front bumper, and the bulb housing itself for access to the bulbs. This will make for convoluted and time-consuming repairs. The cabin air filter is located underneath the glove box. You will have to contort your body in order to reach in and remove multiple bolts and securing fasteners before you can access the filter itself. Unlike with performing an oil change, performing a coolant flush will be much more difficult. You'll have to remove 18 8mm bolts that secure a large panel underneath the vehicle before you can access the petcock, which will prove cumbersome to drain. Overall, the 2010 BMW 750 Li is a difficult car to maintain and is only recommended for those with prior knowledge in vehicle maintenance.